Cybersecurity, artificial intelligence and quantum computing may sound like difficult concepts. For members of STOA, Parliament's scientific group, there's no doubt that big data, intelligent robots and supercomputers using quantum technology will be an essential part of tomorrow's world. They want to make sure Europe keeps investing in fundamental research and in emerging technologies.
What we try to do is to invest in both things, the innovation and the amazing solutions that we could get, but also the security of that, so that it will not turn against us.
To achieve this, the EU is investing €1 billion in a quantum technologies initiative designed to boost European scientific leadership and transform industry and society. Despite improvements in cryptography using technologies like blockchain, data breaches and cyber threats are on the rise.
We all need security, so the internet is not going to survive as long as we are continuously attacked. You can't trust your bank, you can't trust your healthcare, you can't trust anything as long as cybersecurity is at risk.
Members discussed ways for Europe's education system to cope with such ambitious tasks. They want these technologies to create jobs, reduce inequalities, and be equally accessible to all.